Generative AI refers to a type of artificial intelligence that is designed to create new content, such as images, text, music, or videos, that mimics real-world data. Instead of just analyzing or classifying data, generative AI models can generate entirely new data that resembles what they've been trained on. Key characteristics of generative AI. Creation, not just analysis. While traditional AI models might be focused on recognizing patterns or making predictions, generative AI goes a step further by creating something new. Learning from data. These models are trained on large datasets, learning the underlying patterns, structures, and rules. Once trained, they can generate new instances that follow those patterns. Examples of generative AI. 1. Text generation. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Models like the one you're interacting with right now can generate human-like text based on a given prompt. For example, GPT can write essays, poems, stories, or even code. 2. Image generation. Models like DALL-E can generate original images based on a textual description. For instance, if you describe a cat wearing a hat, it can create a completely new image of a cat with a hat on. 3. Music and sound. Generative AI can also create music based on the patterns it learned from existing compositions. Models like OpenAI's JukeDeck or AIVA can compose music that sounds similar to human-created pieces. 4. Deepfakes. These models can generate highly realistic, altered images or videos, such as swapping faces in videos or creating new video content that looks like real people. How does generative AI work? Generative AI models use advanced techniques like neural networks, especially generative adversarial networks or GANs, and variational autoencoders, VEs, to create new content. 1. GANs. A GAN consists of two parts. Generator. This part tries to create new data like a new image. Discriminator. This part evaluates whether the data is real or fake by comparing it to the original data set. These two parts compete, with the generator getting better at creating realistic content over time. 2. VEs. Variational autoencoders are another method used to create new content by encoding and then decoding data, often producing more varied and diverse outputs. Applications of generative AI. Creative industries. Artists, writers, and musicians use it to help create new works or inspire their creativity. Gaming. AI can generate game environments, characters, or even storylines. Medicine. It can generate new molecular structures, potentially helping in drug discovery. Entertainment. It's used to generate special effects or even produce synthetic voices for movies or commercials. In short, generative AI opens up a whole new realm of possibilities where machines aren't just reacting to data, they're actively creating new, original content.